Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmargaha classes. Third question from the Song of Freedom. What has gone according to the poet? Poet ಅವರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಏನನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗಲಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. What has gone according to the poet? Okay. So see, the poem is the Song of Freedom, isn't it? It celebrates the freedom and its joy. According to the poet, the days of caste pride means caste ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ, ಜಾತಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ, okay? Caste pride. Foreign rule, okay? Foreign rule. You can say it as a British rule. Passive obedience and deceit are gone. So ಏನನ್ನ ಹೋಗಲಾಡಿಸಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು? According to the poet, the days of caste pride, where we had the caste pride of being to some caste, okay? Foreign rule, passive obedience and deceit are gone. These negative aspects are replaced by freedom, truth and justice. ಸೊ ಈ ಜಾತಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ, ಅಡಿಯಾಳಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರವೃತ್ತಿ, ವಿಧೇಯತೆ, ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಾರಿನ್ ಆಡಳಿತಕ್ಕೆ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ವಿಧೇಯತೆ, ಒಬಿಡಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ? ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಲಾಡಿಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಚೀವ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್, ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ, truth, satya, and justice, nyaya. Okay, so in place of these negative aspects, we have now freedom, truth, and justice. Okay, thank you.